Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So this channel is all about learning how to use apps, and today we're talking about how to make a photo collage using the Inshot app. So if you are interested in that, keep watching. So Inshot is a free video editing app and also a photo editing app that you can download for free to edit your videos and pictures. So now let us go to the Inshot app. So we're going to click on it right now to open it up. So when you click on the Inshot app, it brings you to this page. So you can see you have options for video, photo and collage. So I'll just click on the collage option. Automatically it takes me to my camera roll. So I'm going to select the pictures I want to use for the collage. As you can see it, I have an option to choose between 1 and 9 pictures, but I'll just go for 3. So once you select, the next thing you do is to choose a layout, how you want your 3 pictures to be arranged. So when I click on layout, you can see the different layouts that are available. So I'll just go ahead and choose the one I want. So I think I'll go for this. So once you select an option, you click on the check mark and it is applied. So below on the menu, you can see all the things that you can do to your photo collage. So the first thing that we're going to do is to select and edit our border. So you can see you can edit the general border and the border between the pictures. You can increase or decrease. You can curve it. I think I'll go with this curve. It looks good. So the next thing we're going to edit is our canvas. Depending on where you want to post your collage, you choose. You see you have option for Instagram posts, you have option for YouTube shorts, Facebook, Twitter. So you just select the canvas that fits the site where you want to post your photo collage. So I think I'll stay with my Instagram post 1:1 aspect ratio. So next up, you adjust the filter. You change the filter if you want. You can see you have a lot of types of filters to choose from, but I don't think I'm going to change anything. I'm okay with the way it looks. I will just click on my check mark and proceed to the next item on the menu. You can see the filter. You can increase or decrease as you wish. So the next thing is to adjust the image or the collage. So you have many options. You can adjust the brightness. You can see the saturation. Anyone you select, you can either increase or decrease as you wish. The saturation, the color you can adjust, the graininess of the picture, and the sharpness of the picture. Whatever you wish, you can increase and decrease as you want. So next we're going to add effects to our photo collage. When you click on effects, you see you have various types of effects. You have glitch, you have retro 2 and all that. So whichever one you click, it is automatically applied to your photo collage. So you pick and choose as you wish. I don't want any effect on my photo collage, so I'll just go ahead and select the original image. So you can actually add a background to your photo collage. You can see my background is white, but I can change the color. I can either use blur or use a solid color or a gradient. I think I'll go with this color, it looks good. So you can see how the blur looks like, but I'll stick with my own color. So I'll click on the check mark and it is automatically applied to my photo collage. So next up, we can add stickers to our photo collage if we like. So when we click on the stickers icon, you can see all the options you have. So you just scroll down and select the sticker that you want. So I think I'll go with this one. You resize it and place it wherever you want on your photo collage. So I think I'll place it, I'll make it two, place one at the top and one below. So next up, you can add text to your photo collage. You click on the text icon, then you go ahead and type whatever it is you want to type on your photo collage. So I'll just go ahead and type yummy, then I'll place it where I want it to be. You can see I'll place it up here. That's where I want it to be on my photo collage. So next, after adding text to your photo collage, you can actually add frames to your photo collage. So as you can add a frame to your photo collage. So any shape you select, that shape is automatically added. You can see when you select the circle, your collage automatically becomes circular. Anyone you select, it is automatically applied. So you can add a frame if you want, and then you edit the frame as you wish. You can see my photo collage is coming up looking very beautiful indeed. Next up, you can actually rotate your images individually by clicking on the rotate icon. So when you click on it, you see you have different options. You can flip it, you can rotate it, you can add an angle, and you can zoom it. So when you are editing with the rotate option, it applies to individual pictures, not all of them together. So you can go ahead and edit your pictures as you wish. So whenever you are through, you click on the check mark, and whatever is selected is applied to your photo collage. So when you are done, you just click on save at the top right, and automatically it will be saved to your device from where you can post it wherever you want to. So guys, I hope you have learned a few things from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to help us grow. And please do drop your comments in the comment section about apps that you would like us to teach you how to use. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.